Dominic.
We're going for a walk.
Wait.
Here's the prince.
Oh, here's your truck. There you go. Good job. See you, James. Where are we going?
Hi, Blood.
Say hi.
Hi.
So that's Dad. What are you talking about, Mom? All right, let's go on a walk, man. You got to go on a walk yesterday. You excited? Get to go on another one today.
This is our outfit for today. And James have a good shoes. Look at that. Look at that. He have a shoes on.
Looking good, man.
Yes, let's go, guys. It's nice weather today. It's kind of chilly because it's windy, but it's better than yesterday.
Yeah, it's 70 now, so
70,
that's great.
yeah.
Which is good after having a long winter. I wanted you to come out here with a cutoff on. It's windy. Go this way.
James, you're so happy to James. James, this is the weather today. Ooh, look at that. It's sunny. Tingnan nyo yung mag-ama.
Grass. Is that funny?
Yeah. Where are you going? Up or down? Down. This is our neighborhood. Maganda dito, guys. Malalayo yung mga bahay.
Ready? Yeah, Mama.
Hi, guys. So cute.
Yeah, no. Guard dogs.
Hi, doggy. Hi, doggy.
Hello.
Say hi, James. Say hi, James.
We're working on it. With the light.
Yeah. Look at James' shoes. Ooh, class.
Oh, he got the Velcro. Oh my God, babe.
Hey, guys. Iikot kami one more time. Look at that guy. He took all my food.
This is carrying it back in for her.
And I got some snacks right here. Stick O, guys. And only me and baby James will go back for a walk with the stroller this time. Hi, James! Babalik na siya sa work. Break time lang. Bye, guys! Alis na kami ni baby James, guys! Bye-bye!
Some water? Get some water. Get some water.
Good.
Sorry, James. She's gonna focus on the camera. James, get some water.
There you go. Bye, Dad!
Bye, James. I love you. I can't see shit though.
Nandito na kami sa aming best part. Dito yung mga bahay, guys, na malalaki. Ayan. Tingnan nyo, guys. Ganito mga bahay yung gusto namin. Ang layo sa mga neighborhood, guys. Tingnan nyo. Diba? Ang lapad ng lupa nila. Tapos yung kanilang bahay lang. Tingnan nyo naman yung driveway. Hindi yan kalsada, guys. Driveway yan ng bahay na yan. How are you doing? You're doing okay? Yeah? Yeah, we're going uphill now. You think we can do it? You think we can do it? You look tired. Paakyat na kami ni Baby James sa hill. So, hinihingal na ako, guys. Kasi hindi na ako sanay na mag-jogging ng matagal. Tingnan nyo yung overlooking natin. Ang pretty niya. Pababa na kami ni James sa hills. Tingnan yung mga puno natin. Walang mga dahon pero buhay ang mga yan. Malapit na yung spring, kaya patubo na naman yung mga dahon niyan. Mukhang namatay lang sila, pero buhay na buhay ang mga yan. We are back sa house! And nandito kami ni Baby James sa aming backyard. At nagpa-practice siyang mag-walking. Mwah! Mwah! Stop, go ito. La la la. La la la. Hi, vlog! Hi, vlog! It's good. Get the phone. Get the phone. Oh. Hi, vlog. Say hi. Hi, vlog. Dito na kami sa bahay at magpe-prepare tayo ng snacks namin ni James kasi maganda pa yung weather outside tsaka maaraw pa. So, kakain kami guys, magpipiknik kami ni Baby James. So, ito yung pagkain ni Baby James with orange and banana. Tapos yung sa akin naman, magsislice tayo ng orange. Tapos may natira tayong banana yung kay James. Tapos meron tayo ditong dalawang avocado. Bumukbang kami ni Baby James. Ito yung pagkain ni James, guys. Sliced orange and sliced banana. Wow! And then, I got my avocado, orange, and banana. So, ididip ko yung avocado ko dito sa brown sugar. Ayan. Ang ganda ng view namin ni James. Maliwalas. Here go, boy. Take it easy, ah. No rush. Get your banana. Banana. What is that? Huh? So good. Ako na ba yung kumakain ng avocado, guys, tapos sinasawsaw sa asukal? Sabi ni Dominic, weird daw ako pag kumakain ng avocado kasi sinasawsaw ko sa asukal. Yung sa kanya, guys, alam niyo kung ano nilalagay niya sa avocado niya? Salt and pepper. Ganon. Tapos minsan garlic powder. Hi, vlog! Say hi to my vlog, James. Hi, vlog! Red car. Lalagyan ko ng asukal. Is that yummy? So, dinner time na pala dapat ni James ito kasi magsi 7 PM na dito, guys. You want rice later? Ilang banana yung pinasok mo sa bunganga mo, bata? Bata? Say hi. Hi, vlog. Thank you for watching for my mama's vlog. Tugs, 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 tugs. Nandito na kami sa loob ng bahay. And magdi-dinner na si Baby James. At habang nagdi-dinner si Baby James, dito ako sa kitchen, maghuhugas ako ng aming mga plato, tsaka magsistart na din ako mag-prep ng mga lulutuin ko mamaya or bukas. So, ayun, para double task tayo ba? So, ito pala, nagpainit na pala ako ng mga pagkain ni James. And ito yung pagkain niya. So, meron siya ditong rice, Brussels sprouts, meron siya dito natirang eggs kaninang breakfast niya. Tapos, meron siyang, di ko alam kung anong pangalan nito, pero binigay siya ng aming, ito guys, binigay siya ng aming neighbor. Ayan. So, meron siya parang lasagna siya. Pero chicken yung nasa loob. So, papakainin natin si ating baby Afam. Remember? So, no more orange, ha? Because you already ate your orange. Rice. It's kind of like hot, guys. Be careful. The Brussels sprout. Hi. Hi, vlog. Dinner po kayo. Kain po si Baby James. Hi, vlog. Cute-cute ng baby ni Mommy. Diba? Magaling na siya mag-hi. Habang kumakain si Baby James, maghuhugas muna ako ng pinggan at maglinis dito sa kusina para marami akong space. Papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung itsura ng kitchen namin today. You okay? Diba? Ay, you already full? Ang dami pa niyang pagkain. Tapos busog na siya. Abaw. Kasi kumain na siya ng orange. Pero, it's okay. Just try your best. Okay? Just try your best. Yay! Hi, vlog! Yay! Subscribe po kayo sa aming YouTube channel. Oh, tell them, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our Facebook page. Ito yung ating kitchen. Diba? Ang daming lilinisin. So, ito yung binigay sa amin kanina ng aming neighbor. So, meron siyang chicken. Parang... So, parang lasagna siya, guys. Pero chicken version siya. Masarap siya. Oh, really? Ayan, guys. Tapos, ito naman yung ginamitan ko sa pag-prepare ng pagkain namin na dinala kanina sa labas. Tapos, ito, bottles ni Baby James. Kailangan kong hugasan. Tapos, meron pa ako dito tinapay galing sa work ko. O, kagabi pa yan. Siguro tatapon ko na lang din to. Kasi matigas na yan. Ayan, hugasin natin. And ito, meron naman kaming dishwasher. Kaso nga lang, minsan, tinatamad akong maghugas, guys. So, ito, malinis na tong nasa loob. Gagawin natin, tatanggalin lang natin isa-isa para palitan natin ng mga dirty dishes. Ayun! James, let's go!